Now, for the past little bit, we've actually been working on a VB.NET Google Form integration application. And the purpose behind this was so we could work at my job, which is a public school. We were going to allow the students to have a functional UI system put in place to where they could actually work on student Chromebooks and things like that. And we needed a UI system interface that was easy enough to use, but at the same time functional enough that we could automatically update it and it would check online autonomously to make sure that, projects were getting done and things like that. We thought the easiest way to do that would be a Google form. And I asked the IT guy if I could actually stream the process of me creating an application for that use, and I got approval to do that. So if you have been on the channel recently, you would notice that, every week or so we've been going online with a live stream of me programming, and that is the background work on the Google form that you're about to see. And without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you that form, what we have so far, and I'd love to get some feedback from you, what you think about it, and if you think that this would actually be something that's marketable or something that you would actually end up using. Maybe even something that you would like to pursue yourself, or even just take little snippets of codes that I've been using. Anyway, thank you all very much. Hope you enjoy it. So this is what we got so far, and I think it's pretty neat. If you go over to the Google form, you can see I already have a bunch of these filled out. Basically what it does, this application will link up with the Google spreadsheet that we have brought up here. That's also linked into this form that you can QR code or whatever you need. And it will look for a completed column. If it is completed, it is not going to show up on our list. However, if it is not completed, then it'll show up. And how you complete it, you can look at it and you say, what's wrong with what's your issue? You have a Chromebook, will not turn on, and the room number, teacher, Chromebook number. So all you have to do is just hit submit, like select whichever one you're currently working on, like this one right here. And you can say, if you want an optional note, you can put it in there. I just, caps lock, finished this one up and hit submit. And you're going to see that it's going to populate over here and it's going to say completed, the data was completed, and the notes you typed in. Then it's going to update the form, which you see here, and it's no longer there. Now, whenever someone does go and fill out this form, they can say, there's something wrong with my Chromebook. Okay, it has a broken screen. Next, please say what's going on with the screen. It's upside down, or it has dead pixels. Let's say it has dead pixels. Next, okay, what's your teacher's name? Bob, classroom number, which is a 156, and the Chromebook number, which is going to be that. Next, and please return the Chromebook to room 145. We'll text you whatever, yada yada. I agree, and submit. And then if we jump back over to our program, it's going to check. It'll see that there's something new. There's a Chromebook with a broken screen, has a dead pixel, and you can see Bob's the teacher. The room it's coming from is that, and there's the Chromebook number.